Welcome to STA Academy. Today we are going to discuss about top 3 model papers for the subject Math 1B. These are very important model papers that are very important for the students, those who are practicing for the exam for the last minute. To prepare the student for the last minute, we came up with 3 model papers that are very helpful for you to practice for inter first year for the subject Math 1B. Let us see all these model papers. I would like to tell you the model paper released by Board of Intermediate. That model paper link is given in the description, in which we have explained all details, so you can check in the description. You can check the model paper, that the latest model paper released by BI. Let us see the section A. We know that all 10 questions we have to do. These are very important VSQs I have given here for 1 2. You can take the screenshot also. For important VSQs you practice, they definitely give you good marks. 8 9 10, all VSQs are there, very important VSQs. Let us see the SQs. From 11 to 16 SQs are there. Total, this year we have extra options. So out of 10 questions you have to do 5 questions. So 1 to 16, and remaining SQs from 17 to 20 is here. To practice this, out of 10 questions you have to answer only 5 questions. Let us see the section C for first model paper. 21 to 25 important LAQ questions, very important, that fetch you good marks. Next, 26 to 30 very important LAQs that can give you good marks. Practice each and every LAQs. Let us see the second model paper. 1B second model paper. Total 10 questions are there for section A. As we know that here I have given 7 questions, remaining 8 9 10 is here. You can take the screenshot. Next is section B for 5 marks, 1 to 16 important SAQ questions. Practice this. Next is 17 to 20 very important SAQs. Let us see the LAQ section for paper 2. 21 to 26 questions for 7 marks. Next is, out of 10 questions this year you are getting in LAQ also extra options. Out of 10 questions you have to answer only 5. So these are very important LAQs. Practice this. Let us see the last paper. 1B 1 to 8 questions I have given for VSQs. Next is 9 to 10 VSQs, very important. SAQ questions for 1B. Note down these questions, or you can take the screenshot, that are very helpful to practice at the last minute, that can give you good marks. Next is 17 to 20. SAQ section is completed for the third paper. Let us see the LAQs. 21 to 27 LAQs for third model paper. Next, 28 to 30. These are all important LAQs for all 3 papers. So we have before concluding, I would like to tell you the model paper is given in the description, for that is released by Board of Intermediate for 1B. So for more update, please share this video with your friends, that are very helpful for them to practice at the last minute. Thanks for watching.